Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do a you and yours reading. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. We don't want to open the cards yet, Spirit. We still have to pray to you. So, dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Now we can begin, Pisces. Now these are you and yours readings. They're basically you, your energy, and the energy of the person who's affecting you the most right now. This could be a love interest. It could be somebody who has a secret crush on you. Could be your mother-in-law, could be your child, could be your parent, could be your boss, neighbor, whoever. So who's this person and how we deal with this person, right? Because they're affecting your energy at the moment. So let's begin and let's see who's going to show up for you today. So Pisces, my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for all your love and care and share. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings, love readings, you and yours, monthlies, for all zodiac signs, and now even weekends with love bites. So do join us and subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. Bottom of my deck, Pisces, I just saw the World card. So that basically shows me you're ending something, some chapter of your life, or beginning a brand new one. So let's see where this goes. Before I open your cards, Pisces, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to bless your reading. My angels, what do you have for Pisces now? Any advice or blessing? You found it. Okay, one more. What have my Pisces found? The confidence. Okay, so Pisces, this is the sword of Saint Michael. This is basically a sword used to cut away anything that no longer serves you. Okay, so I don't know what you're going through right now, Pisces, but use the sword wisely. Okay, you have the power now to remove any obstacles in your life, basically. And I think you already know what it is. With the You Found It card, you already have the clarity as to where you want to go and what you want to do. Use this. This is the power that has been given to you now, Pisces. This sword is very, very powerful. You can cut off old, toxic karmic ties. You can do anything you want to. So just be very mindful. You're blessed. So now let's open your cards, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up. Person A, person B. Newbies, if you don't know the setup, the one side is your energy, the other is, of course, the person you're thinking about who's affecting your energy. Feel free to flip the energy if you feel you're on the other side. So for person A, we have the Two of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands in reverse, Chariot in reverse, Page of Wands upright, and the High Priestess. There is something you know. Again, you found it. Let's see the other side. Seven of Cups, confusion, justice. The Devil in reverse, very nice. Three of Swords in reverse, getting over heartbreak. Death, which is a fabulous card for transformation. And the Ten of Pentacles, very, very nice. Great. So let's see here. Let's start with person A here, Pisces. For the first card, Spirit, we have the Two of Cups. And alongside, I have the Nine of Pentacles. So the Two of Cups is a card of partnership, of deep, profound love with a soulmate. And right next to it, I have the Single Happy card as well. So what is that, Spirit? Please clarify these two cards for us. Please clarify the Two of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. This card has come out twice now, Pisces, the Two of Wands in reverse. So is there something that you are turning your back on or no longer wanting to plan for or plan with? You're dropping something here. You're dropping something here and not being able to plan for the future somehow. One more card, Spirit, for the Two of Cups. Two of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. What is this? What is this, Pisces? Or maybe this is your person. Something somebody said, Pisces, to you. Maybe there is a soulmate around you. Could be your partner. Could be somebody you're very deeply connected with. And they came in and said something harsh and rude and mean to you. Or they came in with some harsh words to you. Now you feel that, what the memories you had with this person are kind of jarred. Okay, you're not feeling very good about whatever has happened with the soulmate of yours, and you probably even thinking of separating from them. Nine of Pentacles is a card of a single happy person who has everything they want and they need, but they are single and they're alone, right? So what are you dropping? And I have the Chariot in reverse as well. That means not moving towards this person. Spirit, help out, please. Nothing has really ended, Pisces, right now. There is a feeling of wanting maybe to kind of end things, but you really haven't. You're still kind of, you've been, I think, in hermit mode for too long. And you've been wanting to come out of it. Right now, you have been going back and forth in your mind. Should I turn my back on this? Should I not? Should I leave this person? Should I not? Do I still love this person? Yeah, you do love this person. Whatever said and done, you still have a lot of love for this person. You may not be showing it right now. Maybe you're keeping your emotions to yourself and you're still hanging on. You haven't let this go, Pisces. I mean, whoever is on side A, you haven't really let it go. But you are no longer even, I think you're in limbo right now. You're not planning for the future, and nor are you kind of letting them go yet. You're trying to make up your mind here. Yeah, because you're not happy. You're not happy with the way things have, transpired, with whatever harsh communication or whatever happened between the two of you. You know your story. And it kind of messed your brain a little bit to say, this was my soulmate. I had such sweet, times with this person. And now all I can think of is what, bad happened between us. So, yeah, right now you're a little upset. You feel things are not stable. Maybe somebody is trying to emotionally manipulate you. They're not showing you their emotions, or whatever they're saying to you is emotionally manipulative. And this person is maybe not offering you any kind of stability right now. And that is what is messing with you, and you're almost on the verge of dropping the ball now and thinking of leading a single life. So what's this Page of Wands, Spirit? Page of Wands. What is this news coming to person A? Yeah, you're waiting for a message actually. You haven't yet made up your mind, Pisces, because you are waiting for some kind of communication to come your way. Okay, right now it's very clouded. Right now you feel there's secrets being kept. You don't have full clarity of the situation. You're still trying to kind of understand what is hidden, or what are the hidden secrets. You feel somebody is keeping secrets here from you. Okay, this is the high priestess, the keeper of secrets, secret knowledge. So you feel somebody is keeping secrets from you, and you're waiting for clarity before you make any decision on ending this chapter altogether. Right now you think things are totally out of balance. Okay, totally out of balance, and this is in your committed relationship. This could be a long-term marriage or a relationship or a live-in or something, and right now you're feeling lack of stability around you, and you are going back and forth in your mind thinking, should I just drop this altogether? Because I think my other person is keeping secrets, and the way they're talking to me, I feel they are kind of not doing the right thing, right? So let's see person 2. Let's spy on this person and see, are they really doing what you think they are doing? So right now, this person is actually quite confused. This person is going through a lot of confusion, and they are wanting justice. No, they could have a lot of options as well. This person, Pisces, could probably have a lot of options here. Or maybe they did in the past, right? They're coming across as the Knight of Wands, which is the player card, and the King of Wands in reverse, which is the selfish, me kind of a person. right? So maybe in the past this person had a lot of options, and maybe you're judging them according to their past. So what's this Justice card, Spirit? Next to them, what's this Justice card? They are doing the right thing, Pisces. They are doing the just things. Maybe you're just harshly judging them for their past behavior. Maybe they do still have a lot of options, but they are not entertaining anyone. They are holding back and they are not entertaining anyone. In fact, if they are trying to release any kind of toxicity from their life, they are trying to end any heartbreak between the two of you. I honestly don't feel there is anything false going on here, Pisces, with your person. Or maybe Pisces, this is you, and if you have a lot of options, you are trying to do the right thing, you're trying to do the just thing, not have any. See, again the Devil in reverse, second time. So I don't think this person on side B is doing anything wrong. If anything, they're trying to do right by you, by person A, and trying to remove any kind of toxicity or any upset that has happened between the two of you. Yeah, they know that if they go for any of these options, they are fearing their own karma. They're doing it for themselves as well. They don't want to do the wrong thing. They know that justice has to be maintained. Judgment is again a card of doing the right thing and having a fresh new life, new beginning. But they want it with you, Pisces. I don't see them leaving you, or person A. They don't want to be hurt or anything. In fact, they want a transformation. They want a brand new beginning with you, and they want to maintain this Ten of Cups feeling with you. Ten of Pentacles, which is the everlasting abundance and happiness. So still let's clarify. Three of Swords, Spirit. Why is this person in the Three of Swords energy? Three of Swords. Yeah, because they're also feeling this lack of love now. Maybe person A pulled back because they're being a bit suspicious or whatever, and now this person is feeling the lack of love, and they're trying to heal this heartbreak, whatever has happened between the two of you. What is this transformation, Spirit? What is this death? Do they want to end it, or do they want to keep it? They don't want to be isolated from person A. They don't want to be in their corner and thinking and worrying or whatever. They want to be in, they want to come out of the zone. They want to have a transformation where both of you can talk and be happy again. They want to move away from troubled times. Person B wants to move away from all this troubled times which is going on between the two of you. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, they're trying to manifest. I like person B. They're really trying hard to manifest something, to move towards this Ten of Pentacles, Pisces. They are trying to stall the falling of this tower. If anything has blown up between the two of you, they're trying their best to manifest something which, will heal broken hearts here. So I think you're misjudging them a little bit. Let's see your mutual energy, how you both feel regarding this. See, Ten of Cups, wish fulfillment, Queen of Swords, and the Four of Cups. So there is somebody who's here sitting depressed and rejecting. Let's see, Ten of Cups, Spirit, for Pisces and that person. You both are each other's wish fulfillment. You both do make each other very, very, very happy. But now it's come to that point where you both feel that maybe some choices or decisions have to be made. And then now I have the Queen of Swords here, who is the queen who takes no nonsense. You have to be very clear with her and answer her questions. Who's not feeling very confident at the moment. This queen is not feeling very confident. She's feeling embarrassed, and she's feeling as if, somebody kind of did her wrong, and now she's feeling humiliated, basically, because she feels that somebody is cheating on her. Right? She's feeling somebody's cheating on her. Masculine here, I think person B here is also feeling the brunt of it and wanting to come out of this abandoned feeling where this person A is no longer showing them any love and affection anymore. Person B is wanting to come out of the doghouse basically. So what's with this Four of Cups spirit? Four of Cups for mutual energy. Four of Cups. I think both are trying to evaluate right now where this relationship is at. What is the investment that has already been put in, in this relationship for so long? If somebody did any mischief or something has happened here, things have stalled as of now, Pisces. But there is a strong, strong chance of reunion here. At least the person B here, who I think is the masculine, is trying to manifest some kind of reunion. Right now things are a bit stagnant. People are not at their best, feeling depressed, low, sad, thinking and stalled because one person thinks the other has cheated and the person A is thinking, B is thinking, there's so much investment that's gone into this relationship. Is there any possibility, that we can kind of come out of this? And there's a lot of stress between the two of you right now. Okay, a lot of stress between the two of you. Things are just not growing. It's not growing in this beautiful Ten of Cups which used to be there. Okay, both feeling extremely weak at the moment, worrying and stressing that things may be over. Okay, why? Because there's a bit of stagnancy here in this dynamic. So let's see how this is going to go, Pisces. Don't make any rash decisions. Person A, person B is trying their best. Yes, they could have done something in the past, I don't know. But at the moment, I think they're regretting their action. They want you back and you have to see what feels good to you. I'm nobody to judge people who, have their own problems. You have free will. If you think you can't bear it anymore, yes, you have the sword now. It's, you have free will. You can cut this person out of your life, and if not, then find your Ten of Cups back with this person. If you need a private reading for your personal circumstance, you can get in touch with me. I'll try and help you as much as I can, but all I would recommend here, don't be in a rush. Okay, let's wait and watch for a little while. Let this person try and explain to you as well. Okay, so love and light, take care, and I'll see you on Thursday for your love bites. Namaste.